Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this absolutely magnificent 1967 Volvo 1800S that you can see behind me here. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, quick video of startup and idling on this Volvo 1800S. Generator light comes up. They don't have an oil pressure light on these models. You do have an oil pressure gauge there, which will go up as soon as we start it, as you can see. All the instruments doing as they should, except the rev counter does read double. In fact, it won't actually start moving until you're doing about 1000 RPM from memory. If you watch the driving video in a minute, you'll see it working. But yeah, now we'll show you under the bonnet. Oh, it's got a period radio, but doesn't seem to be any sound coming out of it, so probably not wired up. Have a look under the bonnet. Here we are under bonnet on the Volvo V18 motor. I think it's V18 anyway. Twin carburetor, all performing as it should. And go around the other side, and here we are the other side. Again, just doing what it's supposed to do. Next up, driving. Okay, here we are out in this Volvo 1800S. It's not a P1800, that's reserved for the Jensen cars, but showing just under 28,000 miles. We're pretty sure that's 128. It's just driven 250 or so miles, 250 miles down to us, and driving absolutely beautifully. Only thing I can criticise is the rev counter is reading double, I think, which is not uncommon on cars of this age now. Overdrive kicks in nicely. She starts on the button. There's no signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. Water temperature is sitting just in the halfway point, as it should. Now, these really do feel like they're hewn from a solid block. They're not a sports car, shall we say, in terms of a hairy-chested, wayward handling thing. They're just stylish sports coupes, a bit like a Mercedes SL in a way. Steering wheel is slightly off to the right, off centre. But she powers along with the Volvo 1800 engine, which they just go on forever. The little red light that you can see on the dash tells me the overdrive is engaged. But yeah, it just performs just the way you'd hope. Flick it out of overdrive. Changing down the gearbox, there's no synchro issues going down the box at all. Into second. Tell you what, for a 57-year-old car, it's rather lovely in terms of the way it performs, and it looks so good as well. Steers properly. I'm not having to sort of overcorrect it and anything like that. It just does what it's supposed to do, and very nicely too. There we are. So now we're back at base. Yeah, impressed with this. Really rather good in my opinion. Hope you like it.